Hi everyone! Isn't it fun to scoop out a thick, sourless curd which is prepared by yourself? What do you say, friends? Yes, I felt the same when my curd turned out perfect. To prepare such a perfect curd, you need some skills which I am going to share through my recipe today. First, you need a right type of container. Second, a perfect temperature to ferment milk. Third, duration of fermentation. Last, immediate transfer of curd from the container to a glassware and keep in refrigerator. Before I prepared the curd, first I visited a local dairy farm where many healthy hybrid cows thrive on nutritious fodder and clean hygienic environment. I waited for the milkman to receive fresh milk. I felt so excited to see his coming with a bucket of milk. After purchasing a liter of milk, I came back home and started making my own curd. However, any type of milk can be used for making curd. Once again, welcome to my kitchen. Now the milk has been poured into the container and ready to be heated. When the milk starts boiling, stir the milk with a ladle to avoid overflowing and boil the milk for 5 to 10 minutes further to evaporate some amount of water from the milk. To bring the temperature of the milk down to normal, leave it for some time. When the temperature of milk turns lukewarm, transfer the milk into a casserole, which is a right container for making curd. Add 1 tablespoon of starter and stir well. You can use leftover curd as a starter and cover the casserole with a lid and leave it for 7 hours. After 7 hours, open the lid and check the curd. It has turned out perfect, which is thick and sourless. Now transfer the curd into a glassware in order to prevent the curd from turning into more acidic. If you find my recipe impressive, please like, comment and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am going to use this curd for making pineapple raita in my next video. After transferring the curd into a glassware, immediately cover the container with a lid and keep the curd into a refrigerator. Thank you for watching my video. Bye and take care till we meet next time.